everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true U-code super sport car. That's a nice thing about 72s. You can break these cars down with the VIN. Beautifully done. Complete frame-off restoration. Car's been completely apart, redone. Really nice job, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight body. Gorgeous color combination. This is an original GM color. It was not the original color of the car, though. This is Ascot blue metallic. I wish we had some sunshine out so you can see it, because it's just beautiful. It's got the correct white super sport stripes with the correct white vinyl top. All brand new white vinyl interior. That is the original color of the interior. I think the original color of the car was actually gold, though, but you can't see it anywhere. The car was completely disassembled. I can just tell by the trim tag on the car. But beautifully done. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the correct SS rally wheels on it. Beautiful car. I mean, this is something that really just turn the key and go have some fun with. Very nicely done. Chrome and stainless is really nice. I've seen a couple of little touch-up marks, but other than that, that's just not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. It's got the operable flapper hood pins. Vinyl top's in great shape. Glass is really nice. You can see the dash is nice in there. Fit and finish on the car is excellent. Pretty color combination. Straight down the sides, good rubber. Of course, it's got the chrome tips on it. That's a good looking car right there. Again, hits the road great, nice and tight. Pulls hard. Definitely something you can cruise with. I think it's got the stock 308 gear, but it comes out of the hole pretty good. Okay, so this is a factory U-code LS3 402 car, guys, right? Now it has a core exchange, which is a warranty block, 454 cubic inch engine, but originally this car would have been a 402 car. 4-barrel, it's got a Weiand Stealth intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. You can see everything underneath there is brand new. Power front disc brakes. It's got an MSD HEI distributor in it. It's got the functional cowl hood, 400 transmission. Detailed up real nice underneath there. That's just a good looking car. I wish we had some sunshine. It kind of poked out here for a second. I thought we might get it, but well, it's trying to poke out right now, because this is a pretty car, man. That metallic is pretty. It pops. Dual chrome mirrors. Looks like the original door handles. Car's only supposed to have 52,000 miles. You can see new door rubbers. Door skins are nice and clean. All new interior. New carpet, new sill plates, new seat covers. Bucket seats, console. This blue with white is pretty. It's factory sport steering wheel. Headliner's in good shape. It's showing 52,000. It's supposed to be original. There's no mileage log with it, so it's a Retrosounds radio, blower motor works, radio works. It's got the custom kick pads in it as well. Again, 400 turbohydramatic transmission. It's got the dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt 308 rear end with the F41 suspension with the rear sway bar and everything. They did put new quarters on it, but they did a nice job. You can see the seams are nice and clean. Factory jack with spares in here. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. Again, it's all spackle coated like it should be. Good looking car. Nice and clean underneath. Again, door seams are nice and clean. Interior is really nice. Seats have been all repadded and refoamed. Dash pad's nice. Gauges are nice and clean. Little wear on your column there, but center console's nice. Again, same thing. I think these are original. They show a little wear, but the operable cowl does work. See if I can do these hood pins on my own here. Sorry, I'm in the hood. There we go. The rest of the guys are busy loading and unloading cars. Crazy busy here right now. I think it's the weather. Fuel gauge works, speedo works, no on the clock. Doors open and close nice. There. Hello, Red Mike. Good sound. Put that radio on, I know it works. Yep, blower motor works. Yeah, doors open and close nice. Wipers. That light's on. Check it. Try the connection on it's a little bit. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us, guys.